Namaste. The 10th World Ayurveda Congress is scheduled to be held in Dehradun from 12th to 15th December 2024. The event theme: Digital Health and Ayurvedic Perspective. Digital health implies employing information and communication technologies to improve health and healthcare. It is a promising practice in the domain of medicine as it helps to enhance the quality of healthcare, facilitates better access to medical services, and ensures a smooth and cost-effective healthcare delivery. Digital health is a revolutionary change being witnessed by the healthcare practitioners irrespective of the medical systems, ranging from mobile phones, clinical softwares, wearables to devices using artificial intelligence. These tools support us in various areas including storage and retrieval of patient information, holistic and personalized analysis of data, precise decision making, finally leading to better therapeutic outcomes. In fact, integration of digital technologies, especially artificial intelligence, decides the future course of advancements in every field of development, including health and wellness. Artificial intelligence features enable effective predictions and planning in the therapeutic as well as commercial spheres of medicine. We are aware of the exponential growth of digital health in the global market. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission is a venture under the aegis of the Government of India to support the progress of the digital health and digital health infrastructure of the country. The 10th World Ayurveda Congress would highlighting the importance of digital health and Ayurveda sector, especially focusing on the influence of the clinical, academic, industry and research ambits. The event plan comprises invited talks, paper and poster presentations, other academic deliberations and business meets. An Arogya Expo showcasing the emerging trends in the digital health and other innovative initiatives will be held in connection with the event. I believe that the event would set platforms for meaningful exchange of ideas and concepts among various subspecialties of scientific fraternity, paving way to creative, productive and truthful end results. Let the 10th World Ayurveda Congress become a stage for digital health and digital Ayurveda to grow, evolve and transform to its upgraded versions in the realms of industry and healthcare services. Thank you. Namaste.